Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can remove the SIM card from Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do that, of course, we need to use the pin, which is included inside the box. Now we need to rotate our smartphone to the left side, and over here we have our SIM slot. We need to put the pin inside this hole. So let's do that. And then push it a little bit until it goes out a little bit. After that, of course, you need to use your fingers, and there we go. Now we have our SIM slot. We need to push it a little bit, ideally from the bottom, I believe. And there we go. We have our SIM card out, and we can put the slot back in. If it doesn't want to go in, then you might need to rotate it, because you might be trying to insert it back the wrong way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.